On the Chapter 8, Supplier Identification and Evaluation. Chapter 8. Supplier identification and evaluation are fundamental to establishing a robust supply chain, and this process determine the reliability, quality, and cost efficiency of suppliers, directly impacting the organization's operational success and competitive advantage. And I learned that on supplier identification and evaluation processes highlights opportunities for improvement in strategy and also collaboration and sustainability all throughout, and strategic approaches ensure suppliers not only meet immediate requirements but also contribute to a long-term organizational success.